Hi everyone, and welcome back. We all live in a world that is full of activity, full of noise, full of good things, bad things, situations that are taking place in different countries, perhaps in your own country, situations that maybe you're facing at home, in your place of work. There's so much stuff going on. And you know, with our access to social media and the internet, the TV, we just are bombarded with facts and problems, news, bad news. It's quite something. And yet in the midst of this, Paul reminds us in the book of Colossians chapter 3, verse 2, that we are called to set our minds on things above and not things on the earth. Now it's important for us to see in this verse that Paul is saying, you set your mind. It's something you must do, something I must do. It can't just be a whimsical prayer where we say, God, help me to do this, but it's a determination that you and I need to make. It's so easy to allow the situations and the issues of life to overwhelm us and to find ourselves in a place where we can't see the wood for the trees. So in the midst of the things of life, we need to determine and to discipline our mind so we are setting our mind on things above, not on things on the earth. You know, it's interesting that when God met Abraham in Genesis chapter 15, and he gave him the promise of what was to come, he was called to be the father of many nations. So what does God do? God takes him out and asks Abraham to look up into the stars and to count the stars. And to test Abraham, said, can you number the stars? Just see how large the universe is, how great the universe is. And something happened in Abraham's thinking, in his heart, when God said that to him. And you see, it was God's way of saying to Abraham, if you want to have faith, if you want to walk a life in faith and a life in peace, set your mind on things above. See the greatness of God. See the faithfulness of God. See that God is able to do exceedingly, abundantly, above all that we ask or think. You know, when we look at things in nature and we see the creativity of God and the detail and the things that God has made for us to enjoy and to find great pleasure in, we can see the hand of God. It's incredible. So I want to remind and encourage you right now, no matter what's going on, no matter what you're facing, set your mind on things above and not things on the earth. God bless you.